Big news for all you video editing enthusiasts out there. Adobe is taking Premiere Pro to the next level by integrating AI video tools from OpenAI and other awesome third-party companies like Pika Labs. Imagine this. You're editing your video, and with just a few clicks, you can add AI-generated objects into your scenes, or even remove anything you don't want, all within Premiere Pro. No more fuss, just creativity flowing. And it gets better. Need to stretch your clips a bit longer? Or fancy creating entirely new scenes from scratch? Well, thanks to AI tools from Pika Labs and Runway, now you can. It's like having a magic wand for your video projects. Adobe's not new to the AI game. Remember Firefly in Photoshop? Now, they're bringing that smart spark to Premiere Pro, ensuring you get the best tools right at your fingertips. So, whether you're a pro editor or just starting, these updates are going to make your video editing smoother, more creative, and yes, a whole lot of fun. Stay tuned, keep creating, and let's make some magic with Adobe Premiere Pro. For the coolest AI updates, follow Architect AI. Share this, and stay tuned for what's next.